This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Julenn Keeling. Finally, a truly open and spacious floor plan. This fabulous home features 3 bedrooms/2.5 baths, new fresh paint, beautiful kitchen west/new granite countertops, new Samsung stove and dishwasher, spacious eat-in kitchen area, owner's suite, double closets and full bath including double vanity granite sinks, large soaking tub and beautiful tiled floors, newer roof and HVAC system, attached garage, fenced backyard with lovely deck and pergola, quiet Cul-De-Sac street located in the resort-like community of Kiln Creek. Call today. For more information, review the details below.